Hey guys, Enzo here, SonofaPizzaMan, and today we're talking about Screamin Sicilian.
The only one who could ever need me was the son of a pizza man.
Screamin Sicilian is based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They've been around for about 3 or 4 years now. What drew me to Screamin Sicilian, the pizza itself, I'm a graphic designer, so I'm always drawn to packaging, and I'm a huge sucker for packaging. And the Screamin Sicilian branding is really on point as far as grabbing people's attention and all that. So the box itself is very cool. It's got the cool typefaces, the colors are really cool. The huge mustache is obviously eye-catching. And then this little window where you can actually see inside to see what the frozen pizza looks like is really clever. My favorite part though is on the back. There's a little cutout of a mustache that you can wear. And I will stick it in right now. Ta-da! I'm an official Screamin Sicilian. Right? Anyway, so let's talk about the pizza. Boss Hog Italian sausage. It's a mouthful for sure. The ingredients are really good. So it's basically a plain cheese pizza topped with hunks of Italian sausage, and it's super tasty. It's obviously fresh ingredients that they use. They're based in Wisconsin, so the cheese is also really good. I'm sure they source that locally, and I would definitely recommend it. So I'm gonna give Screamin Sicilian Boss Hog Italian Sausage Pizza a 4.5 out of 5 messy napkins, because it's just a really good, solid pizza. It's about $8 at the grocery store, so you're gonna pay a little more, but you're gonna get more, so you're paying for the quality. Excuse me. And then the cook time is about 20 minutes, so it's a little longer than your typical frozen pizza, but it's definitely well worth it in the end. So I would definitely recommend picking up this Boss Hog Italian Sausage Pizza and all of their other pizzas. I did a review of their Mambo Italiano pizza, and I will put a link in the description for you if you want to watch that. They also have, I think they call them calzones, so they're like fold-over pizzas, strombolis, stuff like that. And you should check out their website, I'm having a mini stroke. ScreamingSicilian.com. And it has all the information on there. They have a listing of all the different types of pizzas they have, the ingredient list, and all that fun stuff. So, yeah. Thanks guys for watching. As always, please thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have already, thank you. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's where I'm most active. Say hi. I'll say hi back. And until next time, ciao for now.
The only boy who could ever feed me was the son of a pizza man.